Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to find nearby friends on Snapchat. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat and you will see the main interface. In the top right corner there is an icon for adding friends. So tap on that and you will see all your contacts. If you don't see your contacts, make sure to allow contacts for Snapchat. Once you have added your friends, Snapchat will suggest nearby friends for you. If you prefer not to allow contact access, tap the search icon and look for a friend's name to add them manually. After adding friends, restart the app and Snapchat will suggest nearby friends. I hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.